5-minute talk. Retirement. Let's get started. First, talk in English. Retirement is that employer requires employee to leave the company when reaching certain age, according to the staff retirement guideline set out by the Human Resources Department. Another reason is employee may stop working when facing with health issue or exhausted body. Or employee would like to make a change after working in the employment market for so many years and do something that is more meaningful. Conversation examples. When are you planning to retire? I would like to retire 5 years later. What is your plan of retirement? I would like to create YouTube videos as my hobby after retirement. How do you think of your retirement life? I'll join voluntary organization and be a volunteer for giving back to society. How can be a meaningful way of retirement? I think that living healthily and happily are both important to me. Will you consider to take early retirement? Yes. I'm planning to retire at the age of 50. What should be the daily routine of a retirement life? You should build your hobby, exercise regularly, and eat healthily. How can I keep active after retirement? You should explore groups and activities with similar interests as yours through charitable organizations or social media platforms. Second, talk in Mandarin.
退休。根据人力资源部订立的员工退休指引，当雇员到达某个年龄，雇主需要雇员离开公司。其他的原因是，雇员可能需停止工作，因面对健康问题或疲惫身体的影响，或者雇员希望可以有些改变，当于职场上已工作了很多年的时间，希望可以做一些更有意义的工作。对话例子：你计划什么时候退休？我计划5年后退休。你的退休计划是什么？我希望退休后可以创作 YouTube 的视频，作为我的嗜好。你认为你的退休生活是如何？我希望可以加入自愿性团体，即成为义工，以回馈社会。如何可实践有意义的退休生活？我认为，生活的健康及开心，两者对于我同样重要。你会否考虑提早退休？是的，我计划50岁提早退休。退休生活的每日日常应该是怎样？你应该要发展你的嗜好，定期运动，及吃得健康。我如何可于退休后仍然保持活跃及积极？你可于慈善机构或社交媒体平台探索与你兴趣相似的组织及活动参与。